The living is easy in this impressive, generously proportioned contemporary home in the gated community of the island. The floor plan encompasses 4 spacious bedrooms with plenty of room for study, sleep, and storage, 2 luxurious bathrooms, and a sleek and stylish kitchen that flows through the family room and private rear patio. The master bedroom, complete with walk-in closet and ensuite, ensures parents have a private space where they can relax, perfect for a family or as a holiday retreat. This home is ideally positioned to enjoy the proximity to public schools, beaches, cafes and restaurants, parks, shopping center, and transportation. This community has a swimming pool and tennis for your enjoyment. New AC, water heater, and vinyl plank flooring installed in 2018. Call Stephen J. Ingesser of United Realty Group at 954-551-1987.